Today we will practice turning down the noise. We'll start in our usual setup with your feet flat on the floor, either standing or sitting, whatever's comfortable for you today, but grounded with your feet on the floor or the ground, maybe supported by the chair that you're sitting in. Extending that spine, that torso nice and tall to make room for some big breaths. And as you start breathing in deeply and exhaling fully, now start turning down the volume. So another nice loud breath in, and a loud exhale. Start paying attention only to the breath, nice and even breathing. Turning down any of the noise that you hear outside, that you might hear inside the room that you are in, and all the noise that's in your head. Turning down the noise as you continue to breathe deeply and evenly. Letting it all fade away so that all you hear is that breath. And as you hear that breath in your head, with that same even breathing, try to quiet even that breath. But keep it even and deep. Inhaling and exhaling without a sound. On your next inhale, go ahead and put some noise back in there. And the exhale. That big deep breath. And a loud sigh out. And I invite you the rest of this week to play with that, controlling that noise, controlling that volume button in your world.